Rocky, what are you doing?
I'm done.
Rocky, I was just joking with you. Calm down.
Fuck off, man. Fuck off. I'll either fucking get eaten by the sharks or fucking I'll have a new job tomorrow.
Rocky, we were
Leave
just
my
kidding
fucking
with you.
Shit on the fucking floor.
Rocky, what are you doing? This isn't a safe idea.
I told you, I don't give a fuck if the sharks get me or someone picks me up. Fuck you guys.
What are you done? You're gonna swim home? What the fuck? Rocky, come on! What the hell? It was just a joke.